Hello everyone, this is Chris Crescents. I'm in downtown Chicago. I'm on Chicago Avenue going east towards the lake. I'm just walking. I'm just going to show you a little bit what's going on here. This is the Northwestern Medical School on my right, and this is the Lakeshore Park on my left. So let's just walk a little bit. You can see there's a lot of traffic. It's about 3 p.m. on Thursday, February 7th, 2019. So I'm approaching Lakeshore Drive. I'm on Chicago Avenue, and it's raining, not very hard, drizzling. The weather is relatively mild. It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And raining. We're in downtown Chicago, so I'm just walking towards Lakeshore Drive, and then we're gonna come around and walk down on Pearson Street. So this complex you see on the right is the Northwestern Medical School, and right behind it over there, I don't know if you can see, right behind that one, the other building, that's the Northwestern Law School, and they're both located in downtown Chicago. Of course, Northwestern University has also buildings and faculties in Evanston, Illinois, which is the city north of Chicago. But the medical school and the law school are located right here in downtown Chicago. They've been here for a long time. All right, that's Lakeshore Drive right over there. I think I'm just gonna go inside the Lakeshore Park, area in Streeterville, and I'm just gonna show you the view here from the neighborhood. These are the residential buildings. We're in Streeterville in Chicago. There's a wonderful view here of the complex here, this whole area. So right in the middle of downtown here, there is a real nice park run by the Chicago Park District, and it's called Lakeshore Park. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna walk back this way. Obviously the park is not open at the moment. We have a running track here. They have tennis courts. They have all kinds of activity, especially when it's nice outside. And you can see they have like benches here for people to sit. So I'm just going to show you a little bit more of the area here. This is again the Streeterville area of downtown Chicago. Beautiful, beautiful residential neighborhood. So I'm just gonna stay inside the park here and show you a little bit more here. And now again, this is the Northwestern Medical School right there, the one with the Chicago flag and the American flag right on top. And just gonna walk. Actually, I'm gonna walk down on the next street, which is parallel to the park. This is the Pearson Street. Again, this is a residential neighborhood located right off Michigan Avenue and right off the lake here. So this is Pearson Street. And again, we're in downtown Chicago in the Streeterville area. It's a very nice day, believe it or not, by Chicago standards. It's raining, it's not cold, and there's no snow. But that's subject to change, and actually tomorrow the temperature will drop. And then a couple of weeks ago we had the polar vortex, and it was Very, very cold. You can go and see the videos that I film, including on this street where you can see the snow. So we're just going to walk west on Pearson Street in downtown Chicago, and then you can see these are all residential buildings right here where I'm standing right now. And I like the big sidewalks. Chicago, downtown Chicago has huge sidewalks. Good place to walk, get your exercise, film your videos. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. We're gonna make this a 6-minute video. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. This is Chris Crescents from downtown Chicago.